Oh, this is an interesting one. Why do people show off so much on social media? All right, so why do I think people show off on social media? I think there's two thoughts on this. Like they're either, they're trying to promote something, they're trying to promote a product, or they're hiding some sort of insecurity, because no one's at a 10 all the time. No one's like at a high all the time. If everyone's life was perfect and good, we wouldn't have to go through the struggle. Everyone would just be happy all the time. I don't think there would be any real deep appreciation without the opposite. So, some people just show up because they want the attention from what they don't get in real life. And because of the fact that likes and notifications and all that do give us like a little dopamine shot, people are addicted on that, are addicted to that little hit of feeling good about themselves, so they try to get more of it. It's like really, I think it's become an actual form of addiction, where you're just trying to constantly get the approval from people that you don't know about, that you don't know. There's so the way my mind works is there can be so many different scenarios that me giving a blanket answer on this just wouldn't be fair to everyone. But this is just me sharing my opinion. So, who doesn't want to be remembered as this best version of yourself? And because of that, it kind of also creates, for those who feel like they're not enough, it kind of creates a kind of comparison trap where they feel like they're not enough. Like, oh, so and so is living a great life, and I'm not. I must suck. I must be a shitty person, or I'm not social because people are doing all these other things. So I think that creates a sort of comparison trap that can be, mentally harmful. But I think going back to the question of why people show off so much, people want to look good, people want the fame, people want the attention, and it's a mask for what's missing. And instead of looking within, they decide to look outwards. If, say, Instagram messes up, or there's another YouTube apocalypse, it affects the person's psyche, it affects the person's self-esteem. It's attaching your identity to these vanity metrics. It's very similar to people who have been doing one job for a long time, or people attach themselves to this identity to be a certain way, to look a certain way, but that when it's taken away, it's almost like they're having an identity crisis. People are trying to build up this persona of ideally what they would like to become, but truly can be inauthentic or sometimes douchey. The other thought is people trying to promote a product, service, brand, like whatever it is. Either way, everyone's trying to PR themselves and promote themselves as this kind of look or this kind of person. And I don't blame them. Everyone wants to be seen as a good person. Everyone wants to be seen as cool. No one wants to be seen as a downer. But I think what people truly appreciate is the authenticity, when you're real with other people, when you allow people into your world, not just the 10s all the time. Show them the 7s, show them the 5s, show them the you don't have to go into the point where you're snapping at a funeral, but showcase the moments where shit sucks and be okay with that. To each his own if you want to share that or not. Yeah, when it comes to promoting brands or trying to promote a product, it makes sense to want to get that attention. You want to get that social proof. It's very similar to how some clubs work, or I'm not a club promoter or anything like that, but this is the best example I can come up with in terms of the herding effect. Sometimes clubs don't let everyone in immediately. They keep the line out because it makes it seem like the club is popping, because it makes it seem like there's an overflow. And because of that, even though you're not interested in it, it makes you curious, or it gives you that thought oh damn, this place must be popping tonight. Maybe we can go there after dinner. That kind of thought. Very similar with your post. If you're trying to get people to sign up for your online training or your webinar or whatever, people are more likely going to respond to a post that has hundreds of likes and comments and shares versus someone who only has 1 or 2 likes. Unless they're a super fan of yours, of course they're going to be loyal. But if they're complete strangers that don't know you, they want the social proof plays a huge role in that. Yeah, that's why I think showing off kind of comes into play in that respect. So two sides of the coin. I don't think there's always just one side of the story. There's multiple sides, and then just trying to the way my brain thinks is like how many different scenarios can be played out because of this.